Hey everyone, welcome back again. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 best ways to automate your business using Google Sheets via your own integration and automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So guys, these automations that I'm about to show you are designed and created to simplify and fast pace your internal business processes so that you do not have to waste your time in daily repetitive tasks, and by opting these automations you can improve your productivity as well as your business. So without further ado, let's dive right in and see the first thing we have in our list. So guys, this is our first very popular automation, Google Sheets to WhatsApp. So here we have integrated Google Sheets with WhatsApp in such a way that you can directly and automatically send WhatsApp messages in bulk from your Google Sheets only. And we have created a dedicated video on this also, and I have pasted the link in the description so that you can see the video and understand the process. So guys, if you want to send messages to your leads, messages to your customers that you have in your spreadsheet, you can use this automation. And guys, let's see what we have secondly here. So this is our second automation technique, Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. So guys, we all know what is the importance of the leads for business, and if you are collecting leads via Facebook, this automation is for you. Here we have connected Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets in such a way that as and when you capture any lead via your Facebook lead ad, the same lead will be added here into your spreadsheet in Google Sheet application automatically. So guys, you do not have to manually sort out the details of your leads, and you do not have to manually add the data here. It will happen automatically and it will save your time. And we have a video on this. Do watch it from the description. Let's see what we have the next. So this is our third automation technique, guys, Google Sheets to Gmail. So here we have integrated Google Sheet with Gmail application in such a way that you can directly and automatically send emails from your Google Sheets to your people. So guys, you can use this automation for the purpose like you have created a database of your leads or your customers here in this spreadsheet application, and you want to send emails to them, so you can directly send emails from your Google Sheets only automatically. Let's see what we have next here. So the next automation we have is WhatsApp to Google Sheets. So we have created this automation in the reverse order of the first automation. Here guys, let's say you are chatting with your customers on WhatsApp, or you have a team chatting with your customers and they are collecting the feedbacks or queries or user stories on WhatsApp, and you want to collect some insights, some messages, some queries here in spreadsheet application. So here we have connected WhatsApp with Google Sheets in such a way that you can fetch out some important messages from WhatsApp to Google Sheets automatically. So you do not have to manually sort out the messages from WhatsApp, and you can directly see important things here on your spreadsheet application. Okay, now let's see what we have next here. So last but not the least, the fifth automation is this, Google Sheets to Google Calendar. So both of these tools are from Google, and here we have connected them both in such a way that you can directly create events in your Google Calendar from your Google Sheets. So in that way, you will have a record of events that you want to schedule in future through, in your spreadsheet application, and you can directly see what you are going to do, what are the events you have to attend here from Google Sheets only, and the same events will be created in Google Calendar as well. So this is very interesting automation, and guys, we have the videos on all these automations and I have pasted the links in the description, guys. So do watch them and automate your business today. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.